YouTube, welcome back. I am so glad to have you guys here. Today I have something quite special, I believe. And the reason for that is because, as you can see on my screen, I have Terabyte Roblox on Twitter right here. And I also believe this is part 8 of the series. Thank you guys for continuing to watch these. Today I'm going to take you guys through some of Redx's history and how Redx came to be. This project has gone through multiple iterations, and the very first one has started over 7 years ago. So many of you guys might not even have been on Roblox at that time. So anyways, one last thing I want to say before I start. I am 100% going to be uploading daily from now on, so I appreciate all of your support, and any feedback is very welcome. Anyways, let's get right into it. So I'm going to go to the very first post. Alright, so here we are all the way back in 2019, and this is actually only 3-4 years ago, approximately. Redx goes way more back. There's a lot more history before this, but we're going to get to that later. This is the first post. Redx pre-alpha is now available for paid access testing. This right here is the render. Redx was originally supposed to have Titans, robots. If you've played Titanfall, there are Titans you could deploy and equip, use basically. And this is actually a very interesting UI. I'm gonna show you guys here. Let's play the clip. Alright, you can see you can hover over these little buttons. The play button to start, and over here is the navigation bar, home, shop, arsenal, and social. This is the player name, the currency, the avatar, and the XP bar. You get updates. That was the old logo right there. You can see it. Alright, so basically you hit play, it will say launching, like so, boom, and this is the load screen. This was the old UI as well, the deploy, arsenal, and Titan hangar. It does not look the best, so yeah, there it is. And over here this is super interesting. So if you look down here, there are 5 slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's social, and right here it says options. There's a chat. So right here, if you hit the plus button or social, you actually hit invite. Okay. Alright, invite. Boom. You do social, and the player can join your party. You hit play. You do quick join. You hit play again. Just campaign, zombies, etc. Alright, you hit play, and this will launch you into the game. Here next, new pre-game lobby. Right here is the in-game lobby, basically. Start match, and here is the old HUD design, the health bar, barrel shotgun, force field super, the score O, the score. As you can see, show you guys again. Boom. Right here is the old Nova Blast super. I think. Yeah, you can see the animation is very mediocre. Boom. Yeah, it's a little straight code though. Alright, more class development. That's the force field, and that is the new animation. Boom. Now, this name tag animation was very impractical. So when you're making a game and you are analyzing your game's interface, there are many things to consider. How the information is displayed, how it intertwines with the gameplay. So you can see this name tag animation with the health bar is not very functional, because you don't want this thing opening up like this back and forth every time you hover your cursor on the enemy, because in combat it will just keep disappearing and reappearing, and that's just very confusing. This was a pretty nice shop, not gonna lie. Feature weapons, crates, armors, emotes, and miscellaneous. Oh, we also added a zip line once upon a time. Maybe possibly we could have these blondes again in the future. I don't know when. And here is the first wave of maps that we had. So it's an aura and it's a fire beam essentially. It's a very highly accurate weapon. So basically, you can use this to overtake zones and control points and to help your team. Right here is the second one. This is the swing. This one is more of a melee oriented super. You can dash and basically punch your enemies to annihilate them. Okay, here is the force field super. As you can see, it's not perfect. Right here is the progress on the health bar and damage indicators. Let's check it out. You can see the damage and the health bar. There is a render of the camouflage skin right here. Here you can see the action. Looks pretty sick. Alright, I think that's going to do it for this part. But don't worry, part 9 is coming out tomorrow. Like I said, I will be uploading daily. We're going to continue this little history of how Redux came to be, because I feel like you guys should know when and how this game started into where it is now and where it will be. I think this is important. We can look back. Once again, all of your support is highly appreciated. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys